Asema kesho muongo. Asema kesho muongo. Asema kesho muongo. Wow! Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night for those that are sleeping. But me here in Africa, I'm not sleeping. Oh, I want to prepare fish. This fish, we call it mbuta. Okay, for those that know this type of fish, can you please place a comment in the comment section and tell me the experience that how you know this type of fish? Okay? Do you know this type of fish? Yes, this type of fish. Maybe you may ask me, where did you get it? I just bought it at the Gikomba market. I went to the Gikomba market in the morning and bought this fish there. And now I want to deep fry it, and then after deep frying it, I'll cook it with ugali. You know, here in Kenya, mostly in Luya, we like ugali. So this mbuta cannot go well without ugali. So welcome back, share, subscribe, and let us cook together as we cook this fish. Oh. Guys, today I'm taking you with me to Gikomba. Yes, we are going to Gikomba market to buy one of my favorite fish, Nile perch. For those that know Nile perch, you know it. I love this fish because it's delicious, and today I'm going to show you how I prepare it for dinner. I'm going to deep fry the fish, make a delicious tomato and onion sauce, then prepare ugali and Sukuma wiki. Yes, so come with me. Yes, this is where I bought my fish. I chose Nile perch because I really enjoy its taste. The fish was cut and cleaned for me before I bought it, and then went with it at home. Now that I'm back home, let me show you how I prepare it. This is Gikomba market. Yes. I don't know if in your area you have a market where you go and buy fresh fish. Here, we go to Gikomba market. Yes, because I wanted to prepare fish for dinner. I particularly enjoy Nile perch. So that was the fish I was looking for in this market. The first thing I did was to wash the fish thoroughly and remove the scales. I want to be very clean before starting cooking, especially I enjoy the rich soup that comes from cooking the fish head. Yes, guys, for this fish to cook well or to be deep fried well, you have to put enough oil. Like me, I've put enough oil as you can see. Yes, I've put enough cooking oil in my pot, and I'm going to deep fry the fish until it becomes beautiful, golden and crispy. Yes, and you know what, guys? As usual, you know that our channel, we build stories. And while I was preparing this fish, I was reminded of a beautiful story in the Bible. The time Jesus fed more than 5,000 people with just 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. You know what? The disciples looked at what they had and thought it wasn't enough. Yes, sometimes we do the same thing. We look at our finances, we look at our families, our opportunities, or where we are in life and say, what I have is too little. But do you know what? God doesn't need us to have everything. He can take what we have and use it for something greater. So don't look down upon what you have, the small things that you have. Just praise God. God might make that thing to increase and help you in future. Yes, guys, that is it. So, what should we do? We should appreciate every opportunities that we get in our life. We have to appreciate every small things that we get in our life. You know what, guys? Sometimes we enjoy the finished meal, but we don't appreciate all the preparation that happens behind it, you know? Like, uh, life can be or cannot be the same. What God is preparing for us may take time, but eventually we get to do it, to see the results. Yes, there are times when we do what? We work hard and see no results. We may even feel like giving up. But this story reminds us that one instruction from God can change our outcome. Don't give up simply because you haven't seen results yet. Continue pushing on. Continue going on with your life. Continue working hard in your life, and God is going to show you the results at the end. Niingie ndani.
Kumbe nafasi iko mingi ama?
Niingie ndani. Hii ndio zaidi.
Hizo najua ni vichwa. Ama tungengoja vichwa zitoke ndio tutumbukizane hizo.
Pala. Amanya lagi. Pendua tu. Shika, nipe nikuweke. Pendua tu yote. Pamoja vile iko. Shika hiyo pendua tu. Hii jaiva. Sukuma huko. Sukuma hivi. Afu hizi ingie ndani. Hiyo ingie ndani.
Wewe tunashikana.
Hii. Hiyo juu. Hiyo ingine. Hivi. Yes, guys, I know you've learned something from the story that I've just given you. Yes, I know you've taken something. And I'd like you to put in the comment section anything that you've learned about this story. Yes, it's about God multiplying what seems small and insufficient, you know. Sometimes we look at what we have and feel that it's not enough. Yes, I know you have little things in your house. Maybe God has given something small but you're not even satisfied with it. You think it's not enough. But the story of the 5 loaves and 2 fish reminds us that when we place what we have in God's hands, He can use it for something greater than we imagined. Today, I'm preparing this fish for my family. It may look like an ordinary meal, but I'm reminded that food is also a blessing. We should appreciate what God provides, whether it is small or little. Yes. And finally, dinner is ready. We have our deep fried Nile Perch, Ugali, and Sukuma wiki. This is one of the simple Kenyan meals that I really enjoy. Let me know in the comment. Do you prefer your fish fried like this or cooked in other way? Yes. As you continue watching this video, I'll urge you to subscribe, to comment, to share, and tell me something good. Be kind in the comment section and tell me something good that you've learned from this story. And God is going to bless you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.